add about 8 to 10 spoons of oil. Be little generous while adding oil. Now add in some Indian spice to this. And some onions. Saute the onions well. Now add in some freshly pounded ginger and garlic. Avoid using the extreme paste. Let it be a little coarse. And saute this well again. Let this same be the order of adding ingredients, for a very specific reason that each one needs to get fried in well before we go ahead and add the next item. Now to this, add in some green chilies. I've taken about 5 chilies here. For those of you who require more spice, add in a little more chilies. While that is getting sorted, add in some freshly chopped coriander. You may also add mint and any other greens if you need it. Give it a nice stir. Now add in some tomatoes once the onion is cooked well. Do not add tomatoes at a very early stage, because once you add the tomatoes, cooking would be very difficult. Now let this be cooked within about 2 to 3 minutes. You can cover the lid but not put on the whistle as such. Just cover it just like that and leave it for about a half a minute or 1 minute on medium flame. Now here I've taken about a small cup of green peas and I'm adding this to it. I would actually suggest you all to soak this for about 2 to 3 hours prior, so this gets cooked well without any hazels. So I'm adding here some green peas. If you get the ones that's refrigerated, you can add that directly. This is the ones that you get dried. Now give this a good mix. Now for this to always get cooked, remember to add salt, and that's the key ingredient for any veggies to get cooked. Add salt as per your taste. And add in some turmeric. Let the turmeric not be too much as dominating, but tad bit. Maybe a pinch or two. Now give it a good stir. Put it on low. Now the oil has been separated here, which means to say that it is being cooked. Add rice as per your measurement. Now here I'm taking about 3 cups of rice. When I take 3 cups of rice, I would suggest you take 6 cups of water. That is 1:2 ratio. The rice that I am using here would use adequate, exactly 1:2 amount of water, and that would get cooked well. You may add in as per the rice that you are using. So here is a good mix, a good color. and there's also a lot of aroma, stunning aromatic. Now to this, add in some water in your measure. In here, I've added about 1:2 ratio of water. All you have to do is close your cooker, let about 2 whistles come out, not more than 2, and I will show you as to how we can proceed further. Add in about half spoon of ghee into this and give it a good stir. Remember, just do not add the ghee and close it off, because when it whistles around, it will only be on the surface layer and wouldn't get mixed in. So always melt your ghee. That is advisable. I do not have the melted ghee here. So add in, give it a good stir,